Hello everyone. So this is the second part of our chapter, which is body fluids and circulation. So let's get into the video. And in this part we are going to start up with the formed elements. Formed elements. So what do you mean by formed elements? Formed elements are nothing but they are very simple thing. They are nothing but they are the collection of erythrocytes, the collections of erythrocytes. Okay, they are the collection of erythrocytes, they are the collection of leukocytes, and they are the collection of platelets. So, what is it saying? It is saying that formed elements are the collection of erythrocytes, leukocytes, and something has went wrong, guys. Again, erythrocytes, leukocytes, and platelets. So, it's saying nothing, just they are trying to say that they are just trying to say that erythrocytes, leukocytes, and the platelets collectively form what? They are collectively called as formed elements. So, what are formed elements? Formed elements are RBCs, RBCs, WBCs, and platelets. And we know that platelets are also known as what? Thrombocytes. Thrombocytes. Okay, and it is saying that erythrocytes are commonly known as the RBCs, and this is the most abundant. It is the most abundant in our blood, and a healthy adult has about 5 million to 5.5 millions of RBCs. ठीक है, और RBCs जो होते हैं वो रेड बोन मैरो में फॉर्म्ड होते हैं इन द एडल्ट्स. ओके, these are formed in the red bone marrow. रेड बोन मैरो में formed होते हैं in the adults. And now what is it saying? It is saying that RBCs are devoid of nucleus, means they don't have the nucleus. And next it is saying that in most of the mammals they are biconcave in shape, means they are not completely circle or something, they look biconcave. They look biconcave in shape, and they have red color due to the iron containing pigment which we call hemoglobin. And hemoglobin is the pigment which makes our RBC look what? Red. And a healthy individual has 12 to 16 grams of hemoglobin in every 100 ml of blood. And these molecules plays a very important role in the respiration as well. We have learned in the respiratory and respiration in the breathing and exchange chapter that the in blood the main thing which transport is our hb what? Hemoglobin is the one which does it. Okay, and next we have what? Next we have yes, this is something very interesting, and this is something which I found very interesting. This says that RBCs have average lifespan of 120 days, which I know that you have read already. And these have a average lifespan of 120 days, and after which they get destroyed in the graveyard of RBC. And what is the graveyard of RBC called? It is called as spleen. Okay, it is a graveyard of RBC where after the 120 days of average lifespan they get there for getting destroyed. Okay, so it is called as the graveyard of RBCs. Leukocytes are nothing but RWBCs, and when we were child we used to call it as a soldier of our body, right? Soldier of our body, because they used to kill all the foreign material, right? So they are called as the soldiers of our body, and they are called as the leukocytes. They are colorless because they don't have the hemoglobin. That's the reason why they don't look red, and they are colorless, and they are nucleated. RBCs were devoid of nucleus, but these have nucleus, and these are